Good morning, everybody. It's Pete. I just got a few little short clips of video here. I wanted to show you what few things have been happening here in the last couple of days, and probably part of it might be a little sketchy because my battery was getting low, and I didn't realize it really till it was too late probably. But I apologize in advance if it is, and so we'll get to it here. Look how big these ox hearts are getting. You can see it there. Sun's glaring. Get around here. Looking pretty good. Really nice. These are the purple Russians. They are doing pretty good. And since I've been out this morning, I picked a few things. Got the one big pink tomato. You got a little crease in him there. A couple of the red tomatoes, some cucumbers, peppers, beans. And turn around here. My potato row is died off real good. So I'll probably get to that here after a while. See what we come up with in this potato row. But right here is what I'm going to show you. I woke up to this morning. Go down through all these cucumbers. Look at these things there up over top of that fence. They're hanging off the back side. I just got some more I got to pick. This is what I got. And it has broke two of the tomato plants. Got one broke off there. I'll try to take that off and put it in some water. Maybe I can keep it alive. It's got tomatoes on the top part. And another one down there. It broke it right there at the top. I may try to keep it if I can get it off of there without damaging anything else. Yeah, I got lots of green ones on. This plant here's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one here it's got 6. This one here's got 9 on it. Over there. And 3 over behind there. This one's loaded. And this one's loaded. Here's some more of those big pink ones. They're loading up pretty good. There's that big one right there. Okay, I'm gonna stop it here, and then I'm gonna try to get that tree limb off of there. Then when it cools down a little here later, I'll get over there and start on those potatoes and see what I can come up with on that. All right, catch you in a bit. Okay, here's the 2 tomato plants that were broke. And this one has, you know, tomato on it there, and there's one down in there, down in the bucket there. I put those in water so they'll take roots maybe and make it. And here's my potatoes, the last row. That's not bad for the second row. Yeah. Now I get them all picked up in a bucket and we'll see what it is. Well, here it is, a whole bucket full. That bucket is well, it's an old cat litter bucket, but I've used it a long time. It's a 35-pound bucket, so I don't know how much that stuff weighs, but it's full of potatoes. So anyway, my battery's about to die, so I will finish this up in the morning. Okay, everybody, this is Friday morning, the next day. I got that tree limb, got it moved off of there, and I went ahead and pulled up the rest of that cabbage that was in there that the worms was eating up. I know now why I don't raise cabbage anymore. But anyway, here's what it's done. Here's another, this last one, it even broke it. I'm gonna go ahead and tear that off and put that in water too with the other, because it's got little bloom things here on it. And it broke this one off. I got it in water over there. And it pretty much didn't hurt anything else, but it could have been worse if I wouldn't have had this top rail. It did smash it down and separate it here, but if that wouldn't have been there, it would have went plumb to the ground and it would have tore down, I'm guessing 4 tomato plants or 5, and probably would have got part of my beans over there. It could have done more, so I was lucky, I guess. So yeah. Another note I wanted to tell everybody, the collaboration video that I had with Overlook Valley Homestead, we got a lot of comments that people couldn't understand part of the words because of our southern language. So Mark did upload it again and put the words on the screen, the words to the lyrics, so you can see those. They're all on there now, but that's on Overlook Valley Homestead, and you should be able to see it all there. So okay, that pretty much wraps this video up for me, and until next time, God bless.